This wall is so plain and so boring. I want to turn it into a place where I can shoot videos. I'm planning to make some improvements here. I want to start with something easy. I have an idea to add a LED light strip behind this two-seater sofa. This can act as an ambient light in the background when I'm recording video. Is this a good idea? Let me know in the comments. Let's just do it first. I want to be able to control the LED light strip, change color, use effect, and different palettes. Therefore, I picked this WS2812B LED light strip. It's addressable, which means each LED on the strip can be controlled individually. I got 5 meters and the sofa only need 1 meter. The leftover I'll use it in another project. So stay tuned and subscribe. An ESP32 diff kit V1 flash with WLED firmware will be used to control the LED light strip. I make a video about how to flash WLED firmware some time ago. You may take a look. A DC jack and a 5W adapter. I think a 5W 3A adapter is safe for 30 LEDs on a 1 meter strip. It approximately draws about 1.6 amp since each LED consumes 55 mA. And the ESP32 takes about 500 mA itself. The 5W 3A adapter has quite a lot of headroom for that. A few jumper wires and a breadboard, and a 45-degree angle LED light strip profile. Initially, I wanted to 3D print this LED profile, but it takes 12 hours to print the base, not including the diffuser. So I just bought this 1 meter LED aluminum profile online. The ESP32 is already flashed with WLED firmware. Now I just need to assemble all the parts. First, remove the LED aluminum profile cap and the diffuser. The sound is surprisingly satisfying. Take 1 meter from 5 meters LED light strip. I bought a 30 LEDs per meter strip, so it should have 30 LEDs for a meter. Use a scissor to cut the solder joint. You can desolder it if you want. I just cut it for convenience. Peel off the sticker on the back of the LED strip and stick it into the LED profile. Then slide the diffuser back into the profile. The LED light strip comes with 5 wires, 3 wires with a 3-pin connector, and 2 extra wires. I believe the 2 extra wires are for power injection, and the other 3 are for power and data. I strip the power injection wire, twist it, and connect them to the DC plug. The red wire is positive and white is ground. It will take power from the 5W power adapter. For the 3-pin wires, red is positive and connects to the red jumper wire. White is ground and connects to the black jumper wire. And the middle one is data and connects to the green jumper wire. Insert the ESP32 board into a breadboard and connect the LED light strip positive to the win pin, ground to GND, and data to GPIO33. Plug in the DC jack and power on. Directly look at it, it's kinda ugly, but it lights up. This means everything is wired correctly. Let me put back here and see how it goes. Okay, play some effects. Afterward, I used double-sided tape to fix it at the top of the sofa backrest. The ESP32 board sits just right below. Yes, this is something that I want. I know the wall is still too plain. I have some other idea to put something on it. Before that, see you in the next video. Bye. It actually looks like RGB gaming sofa.